perform the experiment number 3. So agenda of this experiment is data transfer from memory to register and register to memory. So in this experiment we will learn how to transfer the data from memory to register and register to memory. So to perform this task, we will start this program, write a program to transfer the accumulator contained on the location 7000H. Just remember this thing, when I'm writing H, it means this is a hexadecimal. If I'm not writing H, it means it is decimal. So remember this thing when you are working on simulator, okay? Then write a program to transfer the 7000H contained on accumulator. This is the B part. C part, write a program to read the content from memory location 1000H and store the result, store the 1000H content in register B. Further, the transfer the content of register B to another location 1002. So the meaning of this particular program is, first we have to read the content from 1000H, then this content will be transferred to register B, then again this register B is transferred to this another location 1002. Okay, so and experiment third D part, write a program to store these content 10H and 34H on location 1000H and 1001H respectively. So first you have to store this content on this location. Right now your memory location is empty, okay? So then add this content stored at that location 1000H and 1001H and store the same result at 1003H. Okay, so these 4 programs you have to perform for the today lab. Requirement, you require PC simulator GNU 8085 and again mobile simulator you required, okay, 8085 Ultisim, you required that software. Then program, I am explaining the first part of the program, transfer the 7000 contained on accumulator, okay. So to perform this particular program, you need to know these 2 instructions. We already discussed in the class. We just taking one quick overview. So we required LDA 16-bit address. So the LDA 16-bit is nothing but a load accumulator direct 16-bit address. Okay. So the meaning of this instruction is 2000H is the address. The content of this address will be loaded to accumulator. So assume it here. This 2000H contained the 12H data. So after the execution of this instruction, accumulator will contain 12H. So here you can performing the memory read operation. You are reading the data from memory. Okay. Now this is the second instruction which is required to perform this program, STA 2000H. So the meaning of this instruction is store accumulator. So the accumulator content will be transferred to the 2000H location. So here accumulator, assume it contain 12H. So if you are doing STA to 2000, so 2000H will be contain 12H. So this operation is called the memory write operation. Okay, this is called the memory write operation. This is called the memory read operation. So basically these 2 instructions is required to perform this program. Now I am switching to the simulator. Okay. So this is the simulator. Can you see this is simulator? Can you see the simulator screen?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So here you can see I am writing a MVI A, 20H. So I am loading 20H data in register. I am loading 20H data in register A. Then what I am doing, this accumulator content I am transferring to the 7000 location. So if I am writing 7000, it means this is the decimal. Okay, if I am writing 7000H, it means this is hexadecimal address. So right now I am writing 7000H. Okay, so now I will save as, I just save it. Then I am saving this one, assume it this thing. Yes, I saved this program, then I am executing it. Okay, now I'm executing. So here you have to check the result on this location 7000H. Okay, so how you are going to check it? This here you can see this is the 7000. Okay, so you can see at 7000 you can see your 7000 contains 32. So why you are thinking this 32 is, we are storing the 20H but we can look 32 because this 20H converted in decimal will be 32. So 7000 contains 32. Okay, so in that way you can check the content of memory location on your simulator. Is it clear what I'm saying? Is it clear? Is it clear?